to Newsplosion. I'm Athena, your news anchor, and this is Nova. Today we've got super creepy but totally fascinating caterpillars. An underwater Lego project just for fish. A brain-busting ancient puzzle. And 2 baby panda twins so fluffy they could power an entire cuteness factory. Breaking news. Berlin Zoo has just released Double Trouble. Twin baby pandas named Leni and Lotti took their very first steps outside. They weren't shy about it, rolling in the grass like fuzzy soccer balls, trying to climb a log, and of course, snack time. Because nothing says big debut like crunchy bamboo. They probably thought, excuse me, why are hundreds of humans staring at us chew? Don't you have Netflix at home? These fluff balls are stealing the spotlight. Sorry, Hollywood, but pandas are the real celebrities now. The red carpet belongs to black and white. Did you know pandas eat up to 28 pounds of bamboo a day? That's like you eating 500 bananas every single day. Now let's dive under the sea and see how scientists are building coral Lego. Scientists have a new side job, underwater construction workers. They're rebuilding coral reefs piece by piece, like a giant Lego set, but for fish. The project is called Sheba Hope Grows, and it's giving sea turtles, clownfish, and even Nemo's cousins brand new ocean apartments. Rent? Totally free, though the walls are a little squishy. Each hexagon block is a puzzle piece where corals can grow, slowly turning into a rainbow-colored underwater city. Picture traffic jams, except with crabs instead of cars. Thanks to these reef builders, ocean creatures are getting a fresh new start. No scuba license required, especially for the fish. Thanks to these reef builders, the ocean is getting its very own superhero makeover. In fact, Netflix even made a documentary about it called Super Reef. Because when it comes to saving the ocean, sometimes you need more than Aquaman. You need scientists with giant Lego blocks. And speaking of puzzles, let's head from the ocean floor all the way to London, where archaeologists are solving a giant Roman jigsaw from 2,000 years ago. Archaeologists in London are solving the world's trickiest puzzle. Not a 10,000-piece toy jigsaw, but thousands of fragments from an ancient Roman fresco. The final picture? Bright vines, birds, and musical instruments painted on a wall nearly 2,000 years ago. It's like playing with puzzles or Lego, except with way more patience. And that's how archaeologists turn tiny Roman puzzle pieces into a colorful art. Way cooler than a Lego set. But beware. Hawaii's tiniest supervillain is next. This armored little bug sneaks around spiderwebs like the T-Rex of the insect world. Keep your sandwiches close. Introducing Hawaii's newest supervillain, the bone collector caterpillar. This tiny bug wears pieces of other insects like armor. Yikes! It's like a bug-sized fashion show called Creepy Couture. Why? Because it preys around spider webs, stealing food from spiders. And the armor helps it camouflage so that spiders won't notice as it's sneaking up on its next meal. Basically, it's a tiny ninja in bug world. That's it for today. I have to take Nova for a walk now. See you next time. Oh, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Come back, Nova.